you get it?
Look, they go the same. Because what we're doing is our shadows create these microparticles of ice. See the microparticles of ice that are created by my shadow? So all you have to do is just go like this. And then you say, because it blocks all the sun.
As usual, Christine. What? Okay, now, look, guys. Look. No, Ross. No. No. Christine.
Aaron,
No, 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 no.
can you share, baby? Can you share?
I don't need it. That's my stuff. Here it goes. Yeah, right there. Bells. Mama.
Aaron, do you want to see the doorbell video?
No, don't Barbie. No, don't Barbie.
Okay, now start now. How's it work?
Like this.
And what is that? What is that? Is that clapper?
No,
What is it?
this.
That
I
is...
think this.
Is that a clock?
Yeah, no, that's for Aaron.
That's for Aaron. Is that a drum?
No, yeah,
Oh,
that's things. It's go ding dong.
ding dong.
No, that's
I have no
That's a
idea
bell.
what's going on. That's a bell?
and that's a drum.
That's a drum. Yeah. Good drumming. Shh, shh. A little quieter, please. Can you drum a little bit more quietly? Oh, nice. Those are good drumming skills. You can drum loud and you can drum quiet. Can you drum in between? Can you drum not too loud and not too quiet?
Not too quiet.
Drum a little, yeah, drum a little bit louder. Nice.
It's this is a bell.
That's a bell.
That's this.
And that's a drum.
Yeah. Bell.
That's loud. Okay, a little quieter. A little quieter. That's really quiet. Can you do a little louder?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
Little big.
A little bigger? Yeah.
Out.
That's louder. That's even louder. Bigger?
Bigger. You can.
Wow.
You can be. But first we need to go in the choo-choo. Okay?
Okay.
The board.
All aboard.
You have to close your eyes.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
And that's loud. Have to be really careful.
Really careful.
It's really bumpy.
Is the choo-choo coming?
Not yet, Mama.
Okay.
But the choo-choo stands over this. Because it's working.
Is the choo-choo turning the lights on and off?
No.
No?
It's turning dark.
Oh, it's getting dark.
But I can't. You gotta be really gentle.
You gotta be really gentle.
And it's chocolate.
What?
Chocolate.
I know what you mean, but I don't think we have any chocolate.
And
Is that where Appa keeps his chocolate stash? I haven't seen that.
can you open this?
No, baby, that's Abba's.
Can you see the chocolate in there?
You want me to look?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweetie, I honestly do not see chocolate in there.
Can you hear me?
Sweetie, it's heavy, it's hard to get into, and it's Abba's personal stuff. There are books in there. That's really all there is. There's no chocolate that I saw. And even if there was chocolate, it's too late for chocolate.
Chocolate.
What-
Chocolate.
What made you think of chocolate? Choo-choo trains?
No, chocolate.
Do you see yourself? There's Aaron.
Ah,